My feet jacked up. In this shoe, I got 3 soles. In case y'all think I'm lying. Look at that. Spectrum, you ruin my feet. So with that being said, it's time for us to search for some quality, comfortable work boots. And the first start was Cabela's, but they ain't had none we was looking for. On to the next store. We are on the prowl for some new work gear. Ray keep coming to work with these buddies on them. Women's to the left, hands to the right. Old school whips in here. These wasn't too bad. These right under the whites that I wanted to get. So we're gonna try these on and see what these hitting for. They got a nice color right off the back. I actually like that little flag on there. So let's see what they hitting for. These is 11 and a half. I wear a 12 and they usually say size down half a size. So we're gonna see. Lace these up. See, these got the quick joints. Ooh. I'm used to these from my cable days, but the thing I hate about them is when them boys come loose, they be floppy as heck.
You're talking so long. So what's on your mind?
So these are 11 and a half. We're at 12. They say size down, but I would probably need to size down the whole size.
Wow.
But these are 11 and a half, and I still got room. It's like my foot. Like I don't want to be sliding around that much. It's probably like a half a size, really. So these probably you got to size down the whole size. What you think about these, man?
It's funny because there's something different about this style.
Definitely like these 11s a whole lot better. And another thing I like that it is electrical hazard. That steel toe on the other hand, I'm not sure. I don't think I want to mess with the steel toe anyways. I'd rather do composite toe, just so I don't have no detectors going off.
So right away, you are welcomed by this full blueprint of the shoe.
People name on here, like who inspected it, who did the drawings.
Did they write it in or type it? Dang.
2010, Joe drawing it, designed by JD.
Or is they just like using the same paper?
Yeah, it's probably them who did it though.
Yeah, y'all see, I'm about to try one.
Speak up, girl.
Huh?
You whispering. Yes.
Yeah, y'all see, no, but y'all see me. I'm about to try one, and I tried on some men's boots, but one thing I noticed right away, I have to unstrap the women's for sure. Because right away they just tight.
But the other ones, remember they had eye hooks for the string, the shoe string, the little fast hooks. Match the fit.
One thing off the rip, they super tight right here, but I don't know.
Probably gonna adjust the shoestrings right there.
Well, it's weird because it's like, it must be something under here. Like I can feel the design on my foot. You must have to wear some different socks.
They recommend with these boots to wear some wool socks so your feet can breathe. So you like that fit?
I kind of don't like this part because I feel it.
Oh yeah, it might feel a little weird because they still got to get broken in. To break it in, you got to wear it. Yeah, I like that. This look better on your foot versus that. The other one we tried,
I mean,
they was thick. Why?
But that probably added some comfort to it too because it was cushioned.
I'm pretty sure they sell this in wide too though.
It don't necessarily got to be wide, but those had that little thickness instead of this kind of thin.
Oh yeah, they had cushion. See, that's what I was saying when it was unlined versus lined. That's unlined.
Because I still feel like it could have stayed slim looking if they would put a little cushion. I like the way they look. These are comfortable to a certain extent. They comfortable other than when I walk and my foot is that right here. It's basically some type of stitch under here that's thick.
So they got some Danners over here. I was looking up a bunch of videos. Danners really wasn't on the list. King popped up, but I think they were saying they was hard to break in or something. I gotta watch it again. We're about to go to the boot barn and see what they got too.
I definitely see the difference in the women's fit versus the men's.
Put your hand in there and see if you can feel that design in there.
Oh, I can
something
feel
like
it out with my hand there. And check this out, y'all. You can actually unclip it and boom, it turns into this.
That's pretty cool. We might have to get one of these for sure. Do it.
Right.
Right in,
How fast I was.
right in front of whatever you work. Dang, I need some water. The air.
Air.
But you can hang it up right in front of whatever you're working on too. So that'll be nice and easy and cool. So Duluth got some boots. You like this style? You like that style up there?
What? This?
Yeah. Oh, you grabbing it? Oh,
Look at the picture.
yeah. Lunch stop. Got a nice veggie sub. These boys hitting like a baseball bat. All right, next stop, work local, buy local. Avon Boot Shop. Right off the bat, they tell you, politicians scrape this from your boots before entering. Let's see what they got. Dang. Hello. You good? Whoa.
We hope you find. Please, right? Oh, wow.
So these are the ones we were looking for right here, the tall trucks.
Those look good to me. I like the brown.
So these are all the safety toe here.
Okay.
These are the waterproof ones down the middle, and then those are not waterproof. They don't have the liner in them.
Okay.
And then these are the soft toe ones, so they don't have a safety.
Now, is it only steel toe or do they have composite toe?
The only composite toe one I have is this one.
Any like women's boots that are like equivalent to this?
We do carry like them in a smaller size. Like we
Okay.
have a Carhartt.
So I definitely like these a whole lot better. These are super comfortable. These is actually 11 and a halves. Steel toe. And I think they look real good. I like this color of these too. They feel comfortable. Ankle support feel good. So we might get these here.
Check him out. He's strolling. Walk, 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 walk. I'm recording the wrong one. The shoes are the star of the show.
Right. So this one definitely got more room. But this kind of giving me like the red ring vibes because my other ones, it was too big. The red rings.
And then your foot was messed up
Yeah.
from that.
But this one is like, not a sock, but like a sock.
Wow.
So, Ray want to match me.
What?
It's cool.
Man, we talked about this last night. You
That's
were
it.
matching me.
You get different shoe strings too.
But I kind of like these now because it plays on the tag and like the USA thing.
Yeah.
Oh, look how cute. They match your outfit.
Right. Perfectly.
They actually feel really comfortable. They feel way better than the other ones I tried on. We have some stability.
You feel the quality difference, huh?
I do feel this, like the structure. You feel it?
No.
But I mean, I feel like it's better to feel it right here
Yeah.
than to be walking and then it's like, ooh.
But then remember, they gonna have to get broken in too. So as you work, you're gonna start flexing more. So of course, all this is gonna be wrinkled.
Color socks.
Yeah, for sure.
Our boot posters.
And what else?
Listen, y'all want some quality boots? Come to Avon Boot Shop.
Right.
Thank you. That's so sweet.
Thank you so much.
My name's Cheryl. No, I'm
Yeah, for sure.
Like,
Look forward to seeing you later.
As day, she gonna be jealous if I put my boots on. She said, "Yeah."
no, I didn't. I said, go ahead, babe.
I said, "Too bad." We're gonna probably get hers in like a couple days. You feel me? But let me take these crusty.
Don't be trying to blow down because first of all, them do their job. Couldn't even wait.
I ain't playing no games. You spending this much money on some boots? See, I'd rather spend money like this on boots versus some Jordans that's uncomfortable, or some designer shoes that's uncomfortable.
Okay then. Nature aesthetic.
You feel me?
Hold up. Hit y'all with a montage. Look,
America, baby.
don't pay attention to the other leg.
Right. Look, we're gonna take him out. In this shoe, I got 3 soles. So look at this. In case y'all think I'm look at that. 3
Man,
soles.
what the?
My feet be jacked up, man.
Oh, babe, dang.
People think I'll be playing. It's serious. Spectrum, you ruin my feet.
And they got the nerve to fire him because what? I
'Cause
forgot.
I ain't had my
the
vest
vest. Like,
Yes.
not because he was a bad employee, because he didn't have a vest.
Right.
Or was that the reason for saying you a bad employee?
No, let's just say ever since then it went downhill. You feel me? Now we about to go clean up this insulation.